Welcome to Bitcoin Bistro. It's Michael, CEO of One Miners, and we found a nice perk for you. The guys, many were asking about accounting, the taxation, everything, and you needed somebody who you can trust to give you proper answers or to give you solutions. And these guys are for that. So let me introduce.
My name is Gus.
My name is Jack Burkstrom.
Okay, and the guys, what do you do? What is your core service, and how can you help the people with?
So we have two pieces to the service. We have the Satoshi Pacioli tax practitioner side, and then we leverage an in-house SaaS product called Bitment that allows you to essentially create your books and track all your cost basis and taxable events for people such as yourself, like miners that are transacting a lot in Bitcoin, earning in Bitcoin, paying in fiat, and we allow you to track it and automate it and build your own financials. It's a full service accounting service. So
do you do real accounting the way that it could be like really in front of the tax office, it could stand under all the accuracies?
Yeah. We are a CPA tax firm based out of Nashville, Tennessee with Satoshi Pacioli. We're Bitcoin centric. We work with Bitcoiners and make sure they're compliant and optimize their tax strategy so they keep more of their sats and the government doesn't get to touch it as much.
Amazing. Guys, I saw piece of software we use there. It's very, very nice and quite neat and simple to look, and you can get a little confidence. Can you please show it a little bit also for the guys how it's working? It's like monochrome like all time.
Sure, yeah. So what we do is we allow you to bring in your wallets in here, almost like a fiat bank account into QuickBooks. It auto drags in all your transactions in real time and allows you to book memos, categorize them into financial statements, much like a traditional fiat bookkeeping system. And then you can build your P&L and give this reporting, audited reporting. And then the final piece that's most important to us is tax professionals is it allows us to spit out a short-term, long-term capital gains based on your inventory tracking, HIFO, LIFO, FIFO, and take that to your CPA and correctly track your taxes.
Okay, so you are fully compliant in states and the other countries? No?
We mainly have domestic, we're mainly domestically in the USA, but we have gotten a lot of interest from other parts of the world. So, we are looking into being fully compliant and where we've gotten interest from. So, yeah.
I can help you with the other countries. There are many. You should be compliant with states plus the countries where you don't need to do anything to be compliant, but you just need somebody to confirm you that you don't need anything to be compliant.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
Expand it.
Yeah, so yeah, we work with a bunch of miners, and we make sure you guys are reporting your taxes correctly and make the process easy versus shuffling through a bunch of spreadsheets. So yeah.
And not everybody is already like thrilled to know how much this fund costs.
Yeah, so it's a subscription-based model, so we price it by the amount of transactions. So for someone that's just doing regular mining, they usually fall under that 2,500 transaction per month, and it's $25 a month. So, and it scales up from there. So,
okay. We have customers. They have like not only one miner. We have customers who have from states like 100 miners. So customer have 100 miner, and let's have the customer who have 10 miners. What will be the difference?
Yeah, so like if you were just a single miner yourself, you would probably fall in that $25 a month category, which would allow you to track your books. And then we also like have all the way up to like a white label where we'll basically let you host your own version of the software and distribute that to your clients. So companies like Brains, we work with them. We're working to give them their own in-house software that, is more of a negotiated deal, but, for these bigger clients that need it. So,
okay, I maybe go. In the future, it might be implemented in the Circle Hash family. It's like One Miners and many other companies which are using Circle Hash platform for mining and hosting. And the thing what also interests me, or you can tell me, what is the things the customers who do not use softwares or solutions like you provide, what the customers should be scared of?
I don't think there's anything they should be necessarily scared of. It's just it's a lot of work, and it's a manual lift for them to track their cost base and taxable events. Like some people are tracking it manually in their head, or they're writing it on Excel. And when it comes tax time, it's putting them in a precarious spot for their taxes, and they're opening themselves up for a lot of liability.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for interview, guys. It's amazing, and I wish you good luck.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Awesome. Okay.
Thank you all.